Okay, let's start our session now. Hello KG1 Cinderella, how are you today? Okay. What is this sound? D, 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 d. How we write the sound? Semicircle, up, step, and down. Okay, and what is this sound? Okay, castanate or kite. This one is castanate. How we write it? Semicircle. Okay, and what is this sound? How we write this sound? Down snake. Down snake. What is this sound? How we write this sound? Stick down, up, curve, and down. What is this sound? How we write sound? Sleeping dash and semicircle. What is this sound? How we write sound? Stick down, up, and curve. Okay. I need this page. Okay. Today we have a new sound. Okay. Welcome to the sound G, 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 G. Our sound for today is G, G, G. All of you do it like me. G, 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 G. Okay. Look here. What can you see in this picture? Look. What is this? It's leg. It's G. Where is G sound in the word leg? At the end of the word, the last sound of the word leg is G, 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 G. Okay, and what can you see here? What is this? Gold. Gold. Where is G sound? Here. The first sound in the word gold. G, 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 G. Okay. I need the word. Okay, look here. What is this? Girl. Girl. Okay. What is this sound? G, 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 girl. G, 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 girl. Okay, what can you see else? What is this? Gloves. Gloves. What is the first sound of the gloves? G, 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 gloves. Okay, and what is this? What is this? It's block. Block. Can you see G g sound in the word plug. Yes, where at the end of the word g, 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 the last sound in the word block, g, 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 g. Okay, what can you see else? Look, what is this? Mouse. Mouse. What is the first sound of the mouse? Mmm. Mmm. Okay. And what can you see? What is this? It's an ant. 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 What is the first sound of the ant? Ah, ah, ah. Okay. Let's listen to the song. Water goes down the drain, water goes down the drain, water goes down the drain, okay, one more time. Water goes down the drain, water goes down the drain, water goes down the drain, then our sound for today is g, 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 g. Okay, how we write g sound? Semicircle, umbrella, stick. How we write g sound? Semicircle, umbrella, stick. Okay, let's see our booklet. Okay, then our sound for today is what? G, 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 g. Okay, yesterday was Monday. Yesterday was what? Monday. Then today is what? Tuesday. Tuesday. You have to make a circle around Tuesday. Here we have to trace over sound g and write it. And when we write, we have to write between two lines. And how we write g sound? Semicircle, umbrella, stick. Semicircle, umbrella, stick. Semicircle, umbrella, stick. How we write sound g? Semicircle, umbrella, stick. Okay, let's see our picture. What is this? Glass. Glass. G, g, glass. What is the first sound of the glass? G, 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 g. Okay. What is this? Block. Block. Okay, where is g sound? At the end of the word, the last sound. The word block, g, 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 g. Okay, and what is this? Leg. Leg. Where is g sound? At the end of the word, the last sound. G, 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 g. The last sound, what is this sound? G, g, g. Okay, and what is this? Grace. Grace. Where is g sound? Grace. The first sound is g, 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 g. Grace. Okay, and what is this? hug, hug. Okay, where is g sound in the word hug? At the end of the word. The last sound is g, 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 g. Okay, let's see another page. Okay, today is what? Tuesday. Tuesday. Make a circle around Tuesday. Here, write the first sound. The first sound. Here. What is this? Duck. Duck. What is the first sound here in the word duck? Duck. D, 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 duck. D, d, duck. How we write d sound? Semicircle, up, stick, and down. Okay, and what is this? Milk. Milk. What is the first sound in the word milk? Milk. Milk. How we write sound? Stick down, up, curve and down, up, curve and down. Milk. Okay, what is this? Snail. Snail. What is the first sound? Snail. Snail. How we write sound? Down, snake. Okay, and what is this? Egg. 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 What is the first sound you hear? Egg. 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 How we write egg sound? Sleeping dash and semicircle. Okay, what is this? Grapes. 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 What is the first sound? Grapes. Can you hear? Grapes. G, g, grapes. G, g, grapes. Okay. How we write g sound? Semicircle, umbrella, stick. Okay, and what is this? Turtle. Turtle. Can you hear the first sound in the word turtle? Turtle. How we write sound? Stick down and sleeping dash. Okay, let's see another page. Okay, here we have to try to blend them this way. Okay, what is this sound? And what is this sound? E, 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 e. And what is this sound? G, g. P, e, g. P, e, g. Let's stretch the word pig. Pig. Okay, let's see another word. What is this sound? G, 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 g. And what is the middle sound? Ah, 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 ah. And what is the last sound? P, p, p. Okay. G, g, ah, p. Let's stretch the word faster. G, ah, p. Gab, gab. Okay. Let's see another page. Okay, here. Today is what? Tuesday. Tuesday. Make a circle around Tuesday. Here we have to match the sounds with the right pictures. Okay, what is this sound? picture. Hand, hand. No, I can't hear sound in the picture. Hand. Okay, and what is this picture? Rocket, rocket. Rocket, rocket. Can you hear sound in the picture? Rocket, rocket. Yes. Match with rocket. Okay, and what is this sound? Okay. Can you hear sound in the picture? Mat, mat, mat. Yes, I can hear it. Then match sound with picture, mat, mat. Okay, what is this sound? Our sound for today. G, 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 g. Okay, look, look at this. Axe, axe. Can you hear g sound in the picture? Axe, g, axe. No, I can't hear it. Okay, what is this? Glass, glass. G, glass, g, glass. Can you hear g sound in the picture? Glass, g, glass. Yes, match g with the picture, glass. Okay, and what is this? Okay, what is this picture? Hand, 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 hand. Can you hear sound? Picture, hand, hand. Yes, match sound with the picture, hand. Okay, the last sound here, okay, what is this? Axe, 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 axe. Can you hear sound? Yes, match with the picture, axe. Okay, let's see it. Another picture here. Cross out the picture that doesn't have g sound. Okay, what is this? Grapes, grapes, grapes. Can you see g sound here? Yes, here, g sound. Then I don't cross out this picture. Okay, what is this? Block, block. Okay, can you see g sound? G sound in this picture? Yes, here. Block, block. I cross out this picture? No. Okay, and what is this picture? Hug, hug. Can you see g sound here and see it and hear it? Hug, hug. Yes. G, g, g. Okay, and what is this? Monkey, monkey. Okay, can you see g sound here and hear it? No. Then cross out monkey, monkey. Okay, I will try. Okay, this is the last picture we have. Okay, today is what? Today is Tuesday. Tuesday. Make a circle around Tuesday. Here we have to write the last sound. The last sound. This is your arm. This is first. This is mouth. This is the last sound. Okay. What is this picture? Cup. Cup. Up. What is the last sound you hear? Cup. How we write sound? Stick down, up, and semicircle. Okay, and what is this picture? picture? Leg. 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 What is the long sound you hear? Leg. G, 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 g. How you write? G sound? Semicircle, umbrella, stick. Okay, what is this picture? Hug. G, hug. Hug. What is the long sound? G, g, hug. G, g. How we write? G sound? Semicircle, umbrella, stick. Okay, what is this? Parrot. Parrot. What is the long sound you hear? T, t, t. How we write? T sound? Stick down and sleeping dash. Okay, and what is this picture? Hand. Hand. What is the long sound you hear? Hand. Hand. D, 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 d. How we write d sound? Semicircle, up, stick, and down. Okay, what is this? Block. 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 What is the last sound you hear? Block. It's g, 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 g. How we write? G sound? Semicircle, umbrella, stick. This is the last page. Yes. Okay. I have finished. Do you have any question? Ali. Hello, ya Ali.
Rabab.
Hello, how are you?
Thank you, rabab.
You are welcome, Yadida. I miss you so much, KG1 Cinderella. Do you have any question? Ibrahim?
Yes.
You have a question, Yadida?
Yes.
Mariska? Ali? Hello, Mariska. I miss you so much. Okay, I have finished.